Just Felicia Combs alongside meteorologist Alex Wallace. We are halfway through the year, but the stormy weather firing up across the country is only just beginning. Talk about it. We're going to take you to the Midwest first, where we've got some flash flood watches ongoing for portions of the Mississippi Valley through Missouri. We've got western Kentucky in this, and a good chunk of Illinois as well. St. Louis, Paducah, you're included in that into the early afternoon because you've already had quite a bit of rain, and we're expecting a bit more rain. This is the rain to come through tomorrow night, and you'll notice a pretty good swath here, a little pocket of 1 to 2 inches within sprinkled 2 to 3 and 3 to 5 inches. That might not sound like a lot, but when you're talking about ground that is just already absolutely soaked, well, that adds up very quickly. So here's what's going on through the middle part of the week. This frontal boundary is going to end up kind of stalling out, and you might be like, well, this looks familiar. That's because it is. You guys have really been stuck in a similar pattern kind of over and over again, where that moisture gets stuck along that stalled front. You've got abundant tropical moisture being pulled in from the Gulf of Mexico, and that leads us across the south with rounds of showers and storms, and that could also lead to some flash flooding. So it's going to be a bit of a messy time across the south. Now, looking back up toward the north and Midwest, the Great Lakes region, St. Louis, tomorrow you might have a couple storms hanging around, but generally it's going to be a pretty nice day. Chicago, Minneapolis, lower 90s, plenty of sunshine for you. But then for tomorrow as well, you can see the south, a different story here. Tulsa down into Little Rock, Jackson, Montgomery, Valdosta, all included in that risk for some flash flooding. And here's why. We're going to keep that chance for storms around tomorrow night, Friday, Saturday. It just keeps going on and on like that. But Alex, not only kind of messy here in the south, but we've got to look to our neighbors to the north as well.
Yeah.